In this question, it is given to you that there is a triangle PQR which is right angled at Q. So I'll first draw the triangle. So this is the triangle PQR, and since it is given that it is right angled at Q, I have denoted Q as the 90-degree angle. Now it is given to us that PR plus QR plus QR is 25. So I'll name them. This is the hypotenuse. Since we have been dealing with angle P in the question, so for angle P, this would be the perpendicular and this would be the base. So given PR plus QR is 25, PR plus QR, H plus P is given to as 25 centimeter, while PQ is given to us as 5 centimeter. So base is given to us as 5. Now to find these three trigonometric ratios, I need to first individually find the value of P, the perpendicular and the hypotenuse. So I'll apply the Pythagoras theorem because it's a right angle triangle. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. From here, h square minus p square is equal to b square. Therefore h square minus p square is equal to base is 5 here, 5 square. So I'll get the expression h square minus p square is equal to 25. Now a square minus b square, applying the property a square minus b square, this would be h minus p into h plus p is equal to 25. It has already been given to us that h plus p is 25. Therefore placing the value here, h minus p into 25 is equal to 25. 25 and 25 would be cancelled, and I'll get h minus p is equal to 1. So I have now two equations in h and p. One is this, which says h plus p is equal to 25, and the other is h minus p is equal to 1. So I'll simultaneously solve them. So the first expression was h plus p is equal to 25, and the other was h minus p is equal to 1. Adding the two expressions, p would and p would get cancelled. This is 2h is equal to 26, h is equal to 13. Putting the value of h is equal to 13 in any one of the expressions, 13 minus p is equal to 1. I have put it in this expression. Therefore p would be equal to 12. So if I draw the triangle once again, this was a triangle PQR. So PQR, right angled at Q. This was given to us as 5. We have found out that P is 12. Now P was this side, RQ or QR. So we have found out QR as equal to 12 and the hypotenuse equal to 13. And this is the angle that we have. Therefore, the base is of length 5. The perpendicular is of length 12 and the hypotenuse is of length 13. Now I needed to find sin P, cos P and tan P. So I'll first start with sin P. Sin is the ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. So the perpendicular is 12 and the hypotenuse is 13. Hence the value of sin P would be 12 by 13. The second is cos of P. Cos is the ratio between base and hypotenuse. So the base is 5 and the hypotenuse is 13, and the answer is 5 by 13. And the last was tan of P, which is perpendicular upon base. The perpendicular is 12 and the base is 5, and the answer is 12 by 5. So we first found out the three sides of the triangle, and once we found those three sides, we could easily find out the three trigonometric ratios.